Okay, so everyone, once you log in, like you can follow us to do what we are doing because I'm going to be highlighting on some things, and it's important that you know where these things are. So we're just going to be using Branson's screen to show us what is Branson here. Who's sharing screen? Yeah, Branson's screen to guide us on what to do. Did you forget your password? You can use your email if you forgot your username. Save, kindly save. Kindly save, kindly save. So it's on auto. Branson, can you save your password to your Google Manager? Okay, so once you log into your back office, you're going to see something like this. But first off, I want to talk about the first thing that you do once you get plugged in here. So if you're a beginner, today is your first time, or this week you signed up this week, or you're less than a week old, the first place you want to go to is your ECA. So click the white box, right? Click the white home box. Okay, network is at it again. So I'm just going to pause the video. Okay, so the first place you want to go to is your ECA. So please click the home button and come to Forex. Okay, so Idon, kindly just follow through with what we are doing, right? So log into your back office and just follow through with what we are doing. The essence of this is to pick every other person that has not done this before. If you don't know what your ECA look like, you don't know the calendar or the schedule of the services you paid for. This is why the call is being done 3 times a week, so that even if you didn't know that before, you can be very well aware of things. So just follow through with what we're doing and you'll be fine. So you can just log in to your back office just like this. Guys, what you want to do on a beginner's call is everything you see on here, you want to be trying it out. You want to even, just the same way we've logged in, you personally log in, like log into your back office. Everything we're doing, you want to be replicating it. Like it's not just that you want to be following through with what we're doing. So Udo, right, log into your back office as well, right? So you click on the home button just like you've seen us do right now. You're going to see the Forex tab. You're not seeing the Forex tab on your how long have you been active, Branson? Kindly take a screenshot of your back office. No, I'm not Udo, I'm talking to Branson. Branson, kindly take a screenshot of your back office and send it to your sponsor like ASAP. They're in a better position to communicate that to you. So let's all continue. Right. So click on the Forex, right? Come to ECA. Choose ECA. Okay, so log in. you see something, tells you log in here. So remember me, then log in. Okay, so guys, the first stop is your ECA, right? After you watch this welcome video, you want to click on the menu box. Look at that red box, click that. And you click on ECA. So click on ECA. Choose Forex Academy. Choose English. Choose Beginners Forex. Okay, so you can rotate your screen though. So here you have about 17 of these videos telling you, explaining to you what Forex is. So if you're a newbie, and when I mean newbie, like you've never traded before, watching this video can sometimes feel like you're just watching a movie, but that's not what you want to do. So you want to watch it with a pen and a paper, right? And take note of things. Like take note of some keywords when they tell you, oh, like you tell how to make profits in the world largest market. Some of the things you hear them, you take it, jot it down. So scroll. Let's go through some of the videos. It's about 17 of them. Look at it. It says the power of leverage, mastering stop loss and take profits. Like, so the first time you're watching this, it might look like a lot, but you want to take note of some keywords: stop loss, take profit. Like, take note, jot things down, right? It will help you. Look at this. Number 9 says understanding the Forex spread, because as you go, you're going to hear some keywords, spread, leverage, and like when you now ask, oh, what does this mean? It is assumed that you've been here to understand what some of these words mean. But that's why I'm highlighting the fact that you shouldn't watch this like a movie. It's not a movie. So you want to watch it with the idea of trying to understand things, right? So take notes too. If you're that person that maybe you as you're watching the video, you're writing, that's how you learn better, fine. I do that myself. So you want to familiarize yourself with some of these keywords. Like I said, there's about 17 of the videos. Number 10 says understanding the difference between risk management. Like, these are some of the things that you ought to know. And do you know why here is the first stop for every single person? Is because there are some things that no one is going to like picture that you don't know. For example, what is take profit? Imagine you now going and then somebody having to explain what take profit is. It is assumed, it's people just assume that you already know because you've been here. So that's why it's important that you know familiarize yourself with this videos. You don't just watch it like your movie. And once you're done, feel free to go over it again. Like, okay, it's not making sense yet, but let me try watching it again. Like, we had someone who, even like, he was a trader normally, but he kept losing money. So when he joined, he spent 2 weeks in ECA alone, and then he was like, he realized all the mistakes he was making and why he was making those mistakes. And I'm going to show you there's more on the ECA, but this your basic beginner videos. That's what you start with. So click on, once you're done watching that, I want to show us the schedule, right? I told you it's about 17 of them. So click on your menu line as well. So come to live trading session. So choose Forex LTS. Choose Eminus. Choose US 30. Okay, so this is Eminus Arabic, right? He Forex LTS, Eminus US 30. So just scroll on the video so it doesn't go away. No, on US 30's video. No, just hold on. Right? The pop-up video. I think, or maybe it's because you use an Android, but basically you can click the, can you see the a large screen? Hold on, just follow me. Forex LTS, MNS, US 30. Can you see the screen icon? Just click that. The last one by the right. Good. So once you click on it, it just pops up, right? So here you have past, like, every week session where Emino Arabic comes live to trade. And why do you have this past weekly session? Because Eminos Arabic is one of the expert educators that you've paid to have access to. But not you, because you've not been here, you just joined e-economy. So you want to familiarize yourself with his live sessions, his past live sessions, so that when you join the current one that might happen that week or the following day, you're not lost. That's why the trainings are being recorded, so you can go through and on your mind is not new to this. You've joined his recorded sessions, and you've now seen how things are done. So next time you're joining his live session, you're not lost. You're not wondering, oh, what's happening here? I don't really know what is going on. Why? Because you sat down with recorded sessions that he's done, right? And you now know what occurs in his live session. So this is what, right, another part of the recorded session of what you have access to in this ECA that you can also sit down with as well. So let's close that and let's go to Manara. Can you see Manara below? So under Manara, we have Forex and Manara trading. Now, I'm going to even really expatiate on that. So under Forex and Manara trading, kindly click that. Okay, so close this pop-up, the first one, so we can, so you also have weekly trainings on Manara as well. But a lot of us don't know this. We just feel like, so that's why calls like this happen weekly. So there are weekly trainings on Manara as well. I'm going to show you the calendar. So on your own, you can just look it up and add it to your own personal schedule, right? So you have advanced weekly session, past weekly session. Just go through it. I think also when you're doing this, if you don't have a laptop, you're going to use your phone, flip your phone screen so you get to see things more clearly, right? So flip your phone screen and do that. This on Forex and Manara training, same thing. Every training session is being recorded for you to learn how to use these products that you've paid for. Now, the next one is Manara AI Trade Idea. So click that. Same thing, weekly sessions on how to actually trade with the AI bot Manara. So these are like recorded session. Probably you just joined, but there was a session that happened today and you missed it. You can come in here and see what it is. Rewatch it again, feed your mind. That's how you grow, that's how you learn, right? So once we're done with that on a live trading session, right, so what you have is the masterclass. So click back on the live trading session so all of this disappears. Yes. So the last one is the masterclass. Come to masterclass. So you come to masterclass. So masterclass has the calendar, right? So you want to flip your screen. So, okay, yours is appearing very well. Now, so each day, just choose masterclass. It will pop up. It's fine. We can see it. Don't worry. I know you're trying to rotate it. It's okay. We can see. Thank you. So each day or each week, let me use that word, you always have a schedule, right? Each educator that is coming up, what is happening. So that's what you want to do. You want to always go to the master class. So click on the menu line again so everyone can see how we got here. So you just click on Masterclass. That's all. Each day you can do that. Come to Masterclass and then you see the schedule for the day. Because I know, yeah, we want to make money, but then some of these things require you to learn and learn again. So learning never stops. So you can see the schedule, right? You just, for example, RAF on Wednesday, that's tomorrow, right? So click on it. Let's see, RAF Dankwa. You click on the educator's name. So click on it. Let's see. So look at that. It says RAF Dankwa description. Join our live Forex trading and education session for an enriching journey, blah, 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 blah. Stream at 20th of March, which is tomorrow at 12 a.m., right? Now, for those of us that are in different parts of the world, it is automatically converted to your time zone, especially if you are that person that wrote your country when you were signing up. You did not, maybe if you're in the UK, you did not sign up with your Nigerian details. You signed up with your actual UK details. Or if you're in the Netherlands, you signed up with your Netherlands. So it's automatically converted to your time zone. Because I know someone was asking me if the time zone was, I was like, did you sign up with your own details, like your South Africa or whatever country you're in information? If you did, is automatically converted to your time zone. So this is the streaming at 20th March 12 a.m. So close that. So now, still that same Wednesday, there is more. So Idris Mahmoud, click on Idris Mahmoud. So Idris Mahmoud coming by 3 a.m. Can you see that? This is an immersive training, blah, 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 blah. Close that. Now, these are just like live sessions that occur. Abdullah. So this is 2:30 p.m., right? This is 2:30 p.m. In this call, we trade live on the US stock market, focusing on, so close that. Now, these are just schedules and trainings that the company has. It is different from the trade signals that will be dropped. But these are training sessions and live trading sessions that you can always at your own schedule plug in, and learn more. Like I said, learning never stop. So we have the last person, Ralph Donkwa, again, right? So for those persons that did not join the 12 a.m. on, so maybe like you're asleep or something, there's also a 3 p.m. call as well. You can learn for you to see that, because trust me, somebody's 12 a.m. in Nigeria is another person's 2 p.m. in US or something. Or, like different people, different times, or maybe in Australia or Tokyo. So they've scheduled it to accommodate everybody with their different time zones. So even if you couldn't make it up with the 12 a.m. on, there's a 3 p.m. call happening that you can always plug into. And remember, guys, it's being recorded. So you can always go back to the recorded session and learn again. So close that. So that's how it works. I just had to choose Wednesday because that's tomorrow. So we understand you have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Monday next week, and all of that. So you as an individual, you can always look through and check your own personal schedules. Okay, how can I fit this into my own personal schedule? You don't have to, be present for all the, because you saw that RAF was coming up twice. So you find out, oh, okay, if the 12 a.m. works for you or the 3 p.m., whichever one works for you, fit it into your schedule, plug in, learn more. The idea is the more you know, the more money you can make. And that's Forex for you. So, yeah, we're done with the ECA. So we can kindly go home, go back to your back office. No, stay on here. Stay on Safari. Then can you see the previous tab that is behind Learner Club below? So just swipe to that one. Yeah, the ECA, yes. Okay, so click on home. Yeah. Okay, so the next thing we're looking at on here is the Eminos, we're going to be joining all Telegram groups. I don't know if you've done that too. So have you joined all Telegram groups? No, just unmute. Like, where you're sharing space, so you can literally unmute and talk to me. You don't have to like start going to the Zoom. Okay, let's just continue. You didn't enable your microphone. I don't get it. It's fine. Let's just continue. So let's continue. We have a lot of things to do. So turn your Zoom on because I see Zoom is not on. Look at it down here. Zoom is not turned on, so just turn it on below. Okay. I've resumed recording. All right. So click on your Eminos. So we're gonna be joining the Telegram group. So just in case you've not done that, let's do that. Now I'm seeing that you don't have any Telegram link. And do you know why you don't? Because you've not done your Telegram ID. So let's go and do that. So go home.
Okay.
Come home. So it says steps to get your Telegram details. Now, if you've not gotten your Telegram ID, you're not going to be able to join any Telegram group. So step 1 says go to Telegram and search for user info bot. So if you don't have the Telegram app, you want to download the app because you need to search for user info bot. So let's go to Telegram. Do you have Telegram?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's
Just
go to
created one as
Telegram
well.
app. Is this your Telegram app?
Mm-hmm.
No, this is not your Telegram app. So your chats are empty.
Yeah, I just had one just now.
Wow. Okay,
This
let's
one just
search for
now.
user info bot.
Here or job here.
Can you close this? I need to see that this is Telegram because it's not
Oh,
looking
this is
like
actually chill. I'm just gonna show you. Yeah, this is Telegram.
okay. All right. At least everyone can see now. Okay, so search for user info bot.
User
Info. Info bot. Okay, yeah, that's it.
this.
So just click that. So click on start. So Udo, let's do check-in. Udo, Alpha, are you following? Everyone. So you are where we are. If you've never done this before, you are here where we are. Drop a 222 in the chat. Okay. Xavier is with us. Guys, we're like 35 on the call. Oh. Okay, Evelyn, all right. Is it just 2 persons? No. All right, okay, so let's just continue. So copy your ID. Okay, Dua. Okay, so let's go paste it in your back office. Put that in there. Paste. Click the save. Did you click save?
Yeah.
Okay. So once you click save and the cloud loads, it's automatically saved. So now let's go join the Telegram groups. No, still on your back office. You join the Telegram group from your back office. So click on the menu line.
The menu here?
Yeah, the
No,
home box. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So click on the Forex drop down.
Which?
Forex, can you see that?
Okay.
So choose Eminence.
Eminence, this, okay.
Yeah, can you see now that there's a Telegram link?
Telegram, yeah.
Do you see? So you always want to make sure that you're on track. Okay, so click the Telegram link. Open. Okay, join. Okay, so go back. US 30. Click the Telegram link. Join. So can you see it? Chisom, can you see it? I think there's a security measure, so we can't see it. I just need to know that you can. You can see it, yes?
Yeah, I
Okay,
can.
go back.
Yeah.
So this is Spanish. So if you're Spanish or you speak Spanish, you can decide to join this. So for me it's not really compulsory because I don't speak Spanish. So but feel free if you speak Spanish or you understand Spanish. So let's go to the next one. So click the menu box as well. Now we're going to come to Manara. So choose Manara. Okay, so we have Manara AI first off. So you want to scroll down, then join the Telegram link. Okay, so go back. I'm assuming that you've joined because we can't see there's a security measure there. So you've joined, yes?
Yeah, I have.
Okay, so go back. So come up. Choose Forex and Manara. Scroll down. Okay, click the Telegram link.
Okay.
Yeah.
And join, okay.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Okay, so go back. Scroll up. Okay, so you have Manara Espanol, which is Manara Spanish again, right? Like we had Emino Spanish. So I'm not Spanish. Are you Spanish, Chisom?
No.
But you might speak Spanish. So if you're that person that you're multilingual, you can feel free to join that. Then you have the next as reset Manara pin because a lot of persons usually forget their Manara pin, and they've created a measure. If you forget yours, you can always come here to reset it. So there's that for persons who forget their PIN and stuff, you can always go there and reset it. So now we're going to go into the bot itself, the semi-automated bot. So scroll down. So let me check again. Just 3%. I guess a lot of people will just sit with the recording. So click on access Manara now. So set up a 6-digit PIN that you can remember easily.
Okay.
All right. So now click the 3 menu line. Come to monitor.
No. Oh.
Okay, so click on the security.
Okay.
Turn off minor and exotic. So guys, please just follow what we're doing. If you need to take a screenshot, right, please do that. It's important that you understand what we're doing so everybody's carried along. Although the call is recorded, so definitely can go through the recording, but the here that we're live, you can just do it with us and get set up. So scroll down. If you've not done this, because I know some of us have, so if you haven't, turn off bonds. Turn off indices. So come up on indices. So choose US 30. The first row, yeah, okay. So scroll. Turn off commodity. Scroll to metal. Turn off metal. Then we need to turn on gold. The second row, second to the last.
Okay.
Turn on gold.
This?
SAUUSD, yes. Okay, so it'll be sent to the group. So come up, click on security back. Okay, so scroll up. We need to see all that the settings. So click on settings. Okay, on time frame, turn off 5 minutes. Turn off weekly, turn off monthly. Turn off daily as well. That's 4 hours. Okay. So on asset class, just choose Forex and metal. Pattern type, scroll. So pattern type, bat and butterfly has the highest percentage of win ratio, but we have a technique right in the group that allows us to choose bat and gatly. So just in case you attend trainings and then you have them say bat and butterfly, feel free to tweak your setup. But right now, I'm going to just give you the technique we use, which is bat and gatly. So turn off every other thing. when you're now learning how to use Manara, you can choose any pattern of your choice. So for now, just stick to Bat and Gatli. So scroll, turn off unknown. You want to only take bullish and bearish. And now what does bullish mean? Bullish means buy. It's another word for buy, right? It's another word for buy. Bearish is another word for sell, right? So that's why our pattern type is bullish and bearish. We only want buys and sells. We don't want unknown, like anything. No, we want buys and sells alone. So click on settings back. And then you want to save your setup. This part is very important. So click the default. Click on default.
Where?
Can you see view default?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
type this setup that we've done. You want to save it with a particular name. So it can be Chisomani or Chisomodogu. So feel free to save it whichever name of your choice. But what is most important that you must save your setup. So type in did you just wrote Chi? So there's a plus sign between, right? Can you see the plus sign in gray?
Yeah, I can.
So just click that plus sign there. So it automatically saves to your name.
Okay.
Yeah. So when you've seen that it's saved, you want to now go to notifications because your notification is what you get directly to your phone. So you need to set that up as well. So click on the menu line. Yeah. So choose settings. Turn off 5 minutes, 30 minutes, monthly and weekly. Sorry, I'm forgetting this. Greg, are you on the call?
Yeah, sure, I'm on the call.
Please confirm time frame for me. 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, and daily, right?
Yeah, 30 minutes also. But 15 minutes is no advisable except you're scalping, you know.
So turn on weekly and monthly. I know it's on 4 time frame, but what I'm trying to is
1 hour, 4 hours.
What are the 4 time frame? 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. I missed the security setting. Okay, we'll go back shortly. So just turn off everything on and then leave Bat and Gatli. The same thing. Is that what?
Does not turn on 30-minute time frame. That has to be turned on.
Okay.
Yeah, that's. Please go ahead.
Okay, so on pattern, turn off everything except Bat and Gatli. Let me see your pattern type. Okay, great. So click settings back. So it's the same settings here. I think somebody was typing on the chat. So the same settings we have on the notification is what we did on the, it's a pattern type. We have different pattern types. So click on settings. So Kunle can take a screenshot. So click on settings. So Kunle, this is the same setup we have on monitor. So just scroll down so he can see. We only chose Bat and Gatli. If you want to add butterfly, that's entirely your choice. But you always have Manara trainings where as you learn, you can feel free to add, like feel free to tweak it to your persona as you learn it. So right now that you don't know it, let's just stick to this one and move on. So Kunle, I hope you've seen this. So scroll down Chisom so that he can see everything. And so pattern type, bullish and bearish, you have to turn off unknown on monitor. Then when you get to notification, same thing, and your harmonic pattern status is D point, right? So feel free to also take a screenshot if that's what's more convenient for you, right? Now, once you've done your notification setup, you can always just click the Telegram icon. Can you see this Telegram icon beaming at you?
Yeah.
Right? So it connects your Manara straight to your Telegram. So just click on that. It says open in Telegram. So you just click start. No, and then type alert.
Alert?
Yeah.
ALERT. Okay.
Yeah.
And send, I guess.
Okay. So send that. So even if you click start, you need to also type alerts because that's what you're getting from. Remember, we're connecting the bot to our Telegram so we can get notifications. So you need to type alerts also. I hope everyone is following what we're doing. Yes, Greg, I'm totally on your side. So it says, please input your token. You can find this information under account authenticator token. So let's go get your authenticated token. So let's go back to Manara itself. So it told us to go to account. So click on your menu line. Can you see authenticated token there?
Yeah.
You just copy it.
Okay.
Paste. Send. Successfully subscribed to notification. So go back. We are done as far as Manara is concerned. So what is left for you now is to also join trainings so that you know how to use the bots to actually take trades for yourself and make money. So now I think the next part is the next thing we're going to be looking at is copy and paste. Please, has everyone gotten to where we are so that I know whether we have to go to the notifications so everyone can see. So Chisom, go to your settings if some persons need to take a screenshot.
Okay.
Someone wrote on the chat.
Chart this.
Okay. So click on your menu and choose monitor. So yeah. Okay, guys, Blessing and Ore. So grab a screenshot. Just take a screenshot because you can always do this on your own too. You know how to log in and get here, right? So you're not behind. Just get this screenshot, right? Because we're moving to the next phase. So get the screenshot. You can always on your own and say, oh, okay, this is what they did, this is what they did. So your notification, okay. So Chisom, you want to tap on settings back. So let's go to notification. Go to your menu line. notification. So notification has the same settings as the previous one. So click on settings. Same thing, just the same process, right? Same setup you did in monitor. That's the same thing for your notification. Bat Gatli time frame is the same. Then on harmonic pattern status, I think that's the only different thing. It will set to D point. So set that, just leave yours to D point. That's okay. So come to your watch list.
Where?
Click on settings back. I want to show you watch
Okay.
list. I think we didn't do that.
Look at this.
Yeah.
And,
Okay, so on watch list, we're going to add crypto pairs, right? So Blessing and Chisom, just do this with us as we're doing it. Do it now. Click on watch list, right? Add new symbol, BTC USDT. So you see the pop-up on Binance. So click that. You take a screenshot, like we already did that. Do your watch list now. Do your watch list now. I'm going to go back for you to take a screenshot, but do your watch list. I'm not going to come back to watch list. Click the drop down again. Choose some. So add LTC USDT. Please do your watch list with us now. I'm going to go back so you all can take the screenshot, but do your watch list because now we're doing it. I won't come back to it. So please do it. Let's do it together. So once you type that, you'll see the pop-up. It will pop out. So click Binance. Okay. So then click your settings so they can take a screenshot again. All right. So guys, come up so they see it from the beginning. Take a screenshot. On pattern is only bat and butterfly. So just turn off bat and gatly rather. So just turn off every other thing. Like turn off every other thing. Leave bat and gatly alone. Right? So scroll so they can see the other parts. The pattern type is already set to bullish and bearish. Then you have harmonic pattern status D point. So that's all, right? If you want to take a screenshot, maybe you just feel a bit fuzzy, feel free to take a screenshot. So click on settings back. All right. So that's it on Manara. Now we're going to move to how to copy and paste. So please go download your MetaTrader 5.
Hi, Coach B.
Hi.
Someone is requesting for you to quickly recap on the watch list.
Okay, so Chisom, please click the drop down on watch list again. So we have BTC USDT, right? Your Forex major is what is going to be turned on alone. Just turn off Forex minor because you don't need that, right? So symbols, and how do you add new symbol? Just type. So Chisom, let's type ETH USDT. USDT. So it pops up. Once you type it, what am I typing? The first one I did BTC USDT, Bitcoin versus USDT. I did Litecoin versus USDT. Now I'm doing Ethereum versus USDT. Or you can do Ethereum versus BTC depending on what you do. But because these are the like basic crypto pairs, so you would just want to stick to the Forex, the crypto major, if there's a word like that. So once you type that in, it's going to have a pop-up, right? So just click the pop-up. So you can see Binance. So just click that. Once you click that, it automatically stays. So choose Binance. You see symbol added to watch list. So click the drop down on watch list. You can take a screenshot. So please take a screenshot if you feel that, oh, you're typing it and it's not typing. Kindly take a screenshot. Just the same process we did, just follow through. You get it, don't worry. So this is the 3 crypto pairs we added. Why? What does watch list means? It we're telling Manara that, oh, please put an extra eye out for pairs like this. Okay, let's add gold, XAUUSD. Add new symbol gold. Even though like we've already chosen gold when we were doing our setup though. But it's just like saying, oh, keep an eye out when you see pairs like this. USD, yeah. So it will pop up. So click it. No, Oanda. Can you see the Oanda pop up? Yeah. So click on the watch list so that you confirm that you did it correctly. So look at that, right? So watch list is to just tell the bot to keep an extra eye out, watch out for these pairs for me. Once you see a amazing setup on them, kindly send that to me on my or kindly give me signals in related to these pairs. Keep an extra eye out. So that's what your watch list is for. Okay, so now we're going to move to the copy and paste. I hope this was helpful for those persons who have not gotten this. So let's progress. Click back on the watch list and we'll be leaving here. Okay, so we already connected Manara to our phone, right? And remember that, so come on, monitor. Come to monitor. So choose this US 30. Click on US 30. Can you see there's a signal already? But you don't just take signals. You don't just, if you open it, flip your screen, rotate your screen, Chisom.
How?
Then like turn it so it's, yeah, okay, amazing.
Good.
Yeah. So can you see target 1, target 2? That's your TP. So drag it to the side a little so you can see the entry points and others. Okay, so drag it down a bit so you can see the stop loss. The stop loss is up. So just zoom in a little. Yeah, so on the price zones by the side, right? So zoom in, you're zooming out. On the price zones by the side, zoom in a little more. Okay, so you have the stop loss above. I don't know if anybody can see it. You can actually zoom in, zoom on this recording now, right? You have the stop loss upwards. Amazing, Chisom. So you have the stop loss up. Kindly zoom in extra on this recording to see what I'm explaining, right? So zoom in, right? You see the stop loss 39313.305. You have your entry point. Target 1 is take profit 1. Target 2 is take profit 2. But, yes, there's a but. You don't just jump in and go and copy and paste with Manara. No, there are certain rules to look out for before you take trades for Manara. And that's why there are trainings on how to take trades for Manara. This is not the training. This call is not the training, right? I've showed you how to join Ralph's training on Manara live session and trainings that occurs even on the EA Trade Ideas. There's going to be trainings on how to take trades for Manara. So attend those trainings so you know how to take trades like this that is being called out for you. you know what to look out for, what trend of the market to check, and all of those things before you take those trades. Yes, it's a learning process. This is not the copy and paste. Copy and paste is not with Manara. Copy and paste is with the expert trade ideas. With Manara, you just need to do 1 or 2 checks. But if I'm gonna follow my techniques, it's actually 7 checks. But so feel free to learn from the trainings and implement some of the things that you're learning, because you have access to this. So you can always, join training sessions and also now know how to do these things for yourself. So yeah, this is it, right? And you can, when Chisom typed alert, so go to your Telegram group. Let me show us all something. They've not sent you any trade idea. That's odd. Go back, go out of here. No, like go back on your Telegram. Click the cancel. So let's pin your groups. So pin this, Manara FX pin, Forex and Manara training pin. So when you join all Telegram groups, you want to pin them. Like Chisom is so lucky, she doesn't have any Telegram previous chats. So for some of us that already our Telegram has like 20 million chats, you want to make sure that you're pinning the groups that you've joined, right? The 5 groups. So if you're on the elite pack, the groups should be 5. It shouldn't be 4, it should be 5. You want to even take a screenshot so that you know when one group is missing. It should be 5. If you're on the elite pack, it should be 5. If you're on the success pack, it's gonna be 2, right? But make sure that you are in all of them. So this. So let's move to copy and paste. You don't have any signal on Manara FX yet, so I'll just use the one that I sent to the group to explain. So now we're moving to the copy and paste, right? So I'm just going to iterate on that so that we can move. So please kindly download, if you don't have the MetaTrader 5, kindly go to your app or Play Store to download that. Chisom, that includes you as well. If you don't have the MetaTrader 5, you want to go to your app or Play Store. Okay, I see that you have it. Okay, so please, if you don't have this MetaTrader 5, I think Xavier should be able to have answered your question that you asked. So if you don't have your MetaTrader 5, you want to download it from your App or Play Store. Once you download it, you're going to get something like this, right? I know this hash is you've connected it to a broker, because this hash I'm seeing. Yeah, I can see that. Directly to your Telegram.
I should what?
No, I saw a comment and I'm wondering. Okay, so basically, it says card CHF and all of that. So let's go to the WhatsApp signal group. But first off, come to the Telegram groups. Can you come to the Telegram groups, please?
This?
The Telegram groups.
Oh, okay.
So guys, on your Telegram groups, you're going to get trade ideas every single day. Why do we have a WhatsApp signal group? We have a WhatsApp signal group because we realized over time that a lot of persons don't pay attention to their Telegram groups. So we created a WhatsApp signal group to send ideas there. Now, the ideas that we send there are ideas that you also get on your Telegram groups. And also, right, ideas from other packages. Right now, Chisom is not on the DeFiverse package, which is the crypto package. But our leaders who are on the crypto package are very generous, and they are sharing signals on crypto on the WhatsApp signal group. So Chisom now might be on the Forex package, but she gets to benefit from crypto ideas because of the WhatsApp signal group. She gets to now take BTC, or she gets to now, take trades with Bybit and get 100 plus ROI on a particular trade. Why? Because she has access to the WhatsApp signal group. So I'm going to highlight that as much as you pay attention to the WhatsApp signal group, please also pay attention to the Telegram group, because trust me, this GU on Eminence Trade Ideas, nobody's going to send it to the WhatsApp signal group for you. They're going to only send trades that they think that most people are not paying attention to and they should pay attention to. So if out of all of your 5 Telegram groups that you belong to, right, you should also pay attention to that as well, right, as much as you pay attention to the WhatsApp signal group. So please, let's go to the WhatsApp signal group and try to, I'm not going to use Telegram because we can't see it. There's a security measure, so I can't use that to teach. I can't use that to teach us the copy and paste. So please go to the WhatsApp signal group, EA Trade Ideas. Move, Chiso, move.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so scroll from today. No, you've entered yesterday, just today. I want to just use today's own. Scroll. You're on yesterday. Okay. All right. So scroll to this Manara's trade down. Scroll down. So I'm not going to use BTC because BTC is not on the demo. So I'm not going to use that to teach this. So, but scroll down. Let's do something else. Let's do another trade idea. So this was Manara giving a trade. So stop here, right? So when you see a trade like this on the WhatsApp signal group, now somebody has already done the math on the analysis and forwarded here, because, right? So once you click on this image, how do you take this trade? So click on the image. So zoom in. So slide to the side where you have the entry points, right? So zoom in properly. Yeah. So you already have your entry. All trades that you get dropped like this are instant execution. By instant execution, I'm going to explain what that means as well, right? So you have your entry as 191.1441. Your target 1, like I highlighted earlier, is take profit 1. Target 2 is take profit 2. So when I see a trade idea like this, let me tell you what I'm going to do. First off, I'm just going to look at the entry, right? 191.1441. And I will take note of the pair. What are they asking us to do? So zoom out. Let's see the pair. So it says GBP JPY, right? So scroll, come down. Let's see what they're asking us to do. Sell or buy. So now, so how do I know what this trade idea is? Because here it was not written. I approved this Manara GJ. Remember? Okay, so enter the picture, come into the image. Another way to tell if it's a sell or a buy is if your stop loss is above your entry, right? We can see that the stop loss is above the entry. So this is a sell, right? So if your stop loss is below your entry, it's a buy, right? I can easily tell this because I know. You understand? But in other cases, you also, like Manara is going to tell you bearish, bullish, right? And remember I said that bearish means sell, bullish means buy, right? So I'm going to take it again. If your stop loss is above your entry, right, it is a sell. How do I know? Because when you sell high, right, and market drops, you make money. You sell high, the entry is up, right? Once market drops, you see it's dropping to TP1, TP2. So TP1, TP2, that's how you make money. If the stop loss is below the entry, that's now a buy, right? So zoom out. Now let's go and try to take this trade idea. So let's take this trade idea, because when you see it on the WhatsApp signal group, when you see a Manara trade idea on the WhatsApp signal group, just take it as instant execution. Now let's go and take a trade like this. Here on the WhatsApp signal group, you can copy and paste, but on your own on the bot, you've not done any proper analysis on it, and you've not checked the trend of the market and some other things. So I cannot even, I'm not going to assume that you know how to do it. I know you don't know how to do it, right? So when it's on the WhatsApp signal group, it has already gone through all some process. So that's just it. Now let's go and try to take this trade idea. So let's go and try to take this trade idea, Chisom. So it says, when you see an idea like this, you know it's instant execution. How do I know it's instant execution? Because it's instant. We're not seeing anything writing pending order or sell limit or sell stop. So go to your MetaTrader 5. Look for the pair. Remember, it's GBP JPY.
I think I have to search for it because it's not here. And
yeah, GBP JPY.
GBP JP.
No. Go back. Go to the idea and look at the idea. Go to the idea. Look at the idea. Yes. So take note of the pair. That's the first thing you want to do. When you see an idea, you want to take note of the pair. Please type your question. So go and type the pair. So have you added it? Click this icon. Click the plus. So go back to your quote. Scroll down.
Okay. Yes, here.
So click on it. Click trade. So what are we doing? Are we selling or buying?
We are selling because the stop loss is above the whatever thing the thing of
Okay, great. So hit the sell button.
Oh my god.
Why is it telling you not enough money? Is this your live account or your demo?
I think this is the live, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, I think it's live.
Okay, that's the problem. Okay, so come to settings. Click new account. Guys, please don't learn with your live account. you want to learn with a demo first. Why? Because corrections will be made with fake money. You don't want to be making corrections with real money, unless maybe you have too much money. I have some people who say, oh, I will not learn it unless I feel the pain. So we have persons like that. If you're like that, you have too much money, please, by all means, learn with a live account. But if you don't have too much money, because we're here to make money, right? You want to learn with a demo. So once you click on your settings, click on this MetaCode soft core. Click that.
Okay, this.
Yes. So register a demo account. Click on the demo account. So fill in this information.
Okay.
It doesn't have to be your real name. It can just be anything.
Anything. Okay.
So just write
Just
H on the last name part.
T, and then my number, yeah?
Yeah, it doesn't have to be your real number, but please put your code and whatever number you feel like putting.
But if it's a fake number, what happens?
That's why I said it doesn't have to be a real number. My own demo is not a real number. It's not good. Then nobody's going to query you.
Okay.
Coach B,
I hope this works. So
every other person that you call also confirm that they have a demo account, please.
They have a demo account, what?
I'm saying, can every other person confirm they have a demo account and they're not practicing with a live account?
Oh, okay, sure. You have a demo account. Drop a 777.
Please, if you don't, just create one alongside Shudera, please. All right, cool.
So Promise says, I have a question. Trading with MT5 or XNS, does it matter? If you've connected your MT5 to your broker, that's on the demo, that's okay. There's no difference. If you're using your broker's demo and is connected to MetaTrader 5, there's no difference between opening a MetaTrader demo itself, because it's the same thing. Like, there's no difference. There's no crypto pairs on your demo. Even if it's an XNES demo, you won't still have a crypto pair. Do you understand? So basically, so I can see most people, if you don't have a demo, please follow what we are doing. Use a number that is accurate. If you're just typing anything, make sure that it is at least the 6 or 7 figure or whatever is required.
I think I'm just gonna use my number instead. So I
Okay.
doesn't know. Excuse me.
Okay, put your email. If you don't have a demo, right? So just follow what we're doing and open a demo. We're just opening an MT5 demo itself, right? It's very easy to open compared to like opening a demo on your broker or stuff like that. This is just very beginner friendly. That's why I always use it, right? So once you do that, just turn off this hedge. Then you have a MetaQuotes demo. So what do you spend? USD, what do you spend?
What do I spend?
What currency do you spend?
I spend
Dollar.
USD actually, yeah.
Okay.
US euros. Yeah.
So account type Forex netting USD, leverage is, let's change your leverage to 1:500.
I'm sorry, I have a question, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
What's leverage?
It's like leverage from the word is just giving you more chances at winning or helping you to basically make more money than a normal person would. And in this case, because leverage, the word leverage is used interchangeably, you hear it a lot. Now, in this particular case of 1:500, right, for trading, with the regulations of trading in different countries. Right now, for example, if you're in Africa, you get leverage up to like 2K, 1:2,000, 1:1,000. But if you're in Europe, you won't get up to that kind of leverage. And that's because of the regulations are attached to trading and all of that. Yes. So you're going to have leverage of 1:500.
Because I think on my my real account I have like 30 or something. I don't know, it's 30.
No, you can change
Yeah.
that. 1:30 is very low. So it should be 500 and above, right?
500 over. Yeah.
So then
Thank you.
on the deposit, you can reduce that to something close to your funding capital. So I like to say
Okay.
3. You can choose 3K. Deposit, choose 3,000. Yeah. So click the accept icon and then register. Start. There. Okay, so just repeat the process we did for the GBP JPY. Why you say I'm lost? Let's catch you. Where are you lost? Which part? Promise. So how we got there is, this is the MT5 broker. You just click on your settings. So Chisom, click on settings. Then we chose new account, right? So you click on new account, right? And then we chose MetaCode Software Corp. So click that, Chisom. And then we chose demo account. Chisom, click that again. Click demo account. And we now filled in our information, right? So go back. And then we clicked accept. We chose leverage 1.5 and we registered. So go back. No. We're not using this. You already did that the first time. So go back. Change it. You saw us change it, right? You saw us change that. Click on it and change it. And I explained why you need to change it. So change it. If you have less than 1.5, 1:500, kindly change it. So yes. Have you changed it? So change it from 1:100. You have different options. Just change it. Okay, great, amazing. All right, so let's just progress. So go take the trade idea, like we said, GBP JPY. I'm intentionally going back to that particular image because I want us to know how to take trade ideas like that when we see it. So you click on GBP JPY. No, we've done this process before, so do it and be telling me what you're doing.
Can you see?
Just walk me through the process while you're doing it. Like, tell me, talk to us.
Okay, from the scratch or like from the settings?
From here, you click on the pair. No, from taking the trade.
Okay. So you first have to search for the trade. So this is the British pound and the Japanese yen, if I'm correct. Then yeah. Then you click on this, then trade. And with the charting thingy, you check if it's a sell or a buy. And for the one that the person in the group sends, it's a sell. So I guess you impute everything imputable, then you press a sell. I guess that's how it works.
So before you press sell, right, you want to take note of the lot sizing, right? So we have a risk management of 1 to 3% of your account size per trade. So if you have, for every $100, your lot size is 0.01 to 0.03, right? So if you have $200, just use the math I did for 0.01, apply it, right? So for every $100, your risk management is 1 to 3%, which is $1 to $3. So use that that solid foundation to as a base for whatever like account size you're going to have. If you're going to have a 500, if you're going to have a 1K, if you're going to have a 2K, for every $100, your risk management is 0.01 to 0.03. If you have less than $100, you don't have access to 0.01 to 0.03. You have access to 0.01 and 0.02, right? Like at once, you can't have multiple positions at once. Because I see some persons doing the open multiple positions. No, you can't do that. You only have 2 positions. Once you close those first 2, then you can take more. You can have 3, 5 positions running at once if you have less than that. No, don't do that to yourself. You're indirectly hurting your account. So that being said, right, so you check for your lot size. So in this case, we're going to do 0.05. So change this to 0.05 because we have 3K. I mean, why not? So because 3K means that we can leverage as much as 0.30. So but let's do 0.05, right? So once you change that, just hit the sell button. Okay, great. Now, why am I saying it? Because sometimes you might try to start typing your stop loss and your take profit and market leaves you. So once you take note of the pair, you take note of what you're doing, which is a sell, right? You want to just go and change your lot sizing, which is your risk management, and you sell or buy depending on what they're asking you to do on the trade idea. In this case, we have a 3K account. I mean, from like 0.05 is not even up to 1% of our account. So I'm just using 0.05. So if we're going to do 1% of 3K, that's 0.30, right? So it means that I can enter 0.10 in 3 positions, but we're going to take more than 3 trades for examples. So I'm going to break down my 0.10 into 0.05 in 2 places, which is 0.10 already. So it allows me room to take more trades. If you're like me that you want to take every trade, you want to be able to rationalize your percentages to allow room for more trade ideas. But if you don't have equity, look at this balance. If you don't have equity, right, just stick to 2 or 3 positions at once, right, and leave that to run. When they're in profit, you close them and then you can take more trades. So now once you take the sell, instant is on instant execution. Please drag this, click on it, click on this trade. We're going to modify. So you see modify position, right? So here we're now going to put our stop loss and take profit. You want to always make sure that you have your stop loss and take profit in. Why is that? The stop loss is to stop the trade if it's going into loss, and in reverse, it's like saying, oh, I don't want to lose beyond this price. And then your take profit is, okay, once I'm in profit, I want to exit the market at this price in profit. So let's go put the stop loss and take profit of this particular trade idea. So go back to the group. Okay, so what is the stop loss?
It's 191.4832.
Okay, so guys, are we here? Somebody should type the stop loss on the chat. Type the take profit one, right? Type the take profit one on the chat and the take profit two. Someone should do that on the chat straight away, right? So Chisom, let's go to the MetaTrader.
Okay. Excuse me.
So go back. So if I wanted to take this trade idea in more than one position to allow me to put TP2, so I'm just going to click this plus sign, yeah? So click the plus sign. Then I click sell again. Yours demo used to confuse me. Come to chart. Come to quotes.
Okay.
So click the pair. Click trade. Right? So change your stop loss. No, your lot size, I mean, sorry. We have 0.10, so change that. It's 0.05. No. We were not doing 10. Remove the stop loss. So click sell. Let's see. Why is it showing close at 199 thingy? So go exit this part. Let me see. Come down. I want to see the end of your, like, leave the part where you're typing.
Okay, just this.
Okay, that's fine. So go back.
Do I press sell or do I just move?
No, leave it. It's fine.
Okay.
Go back. Okay, that's fine. Come to quotes. I think would have just sold twice. So guys, when you want to take more than one position, let's say you want to take TP2, the same way you just sold, so just hit the sell button twice, so it enters into position. We'll try it with another trade idea. So did anybody type on the chat the TP1 and the take profit? So let's go and type it in. We have 15 minutes left. So let's go and type that in. So go to the trade idea. No. Go to the trade idea. Click modify. So put your details. So minimize and let's see the take profit. Did you write it down? Okay, put your take profit.
No.
Let's see. We have to confirm what you're doing. So go to the idea.
The WhatsApp group?
Okay. So take profit one is 189.9443. Stop loss is 4832. Okay, so let's go back and check that with what you have. So I think it's not 944, 9443.
Oh, I don't think it goes more than this.
Okay. Then what's your stop loss? So TP2 is 18918, 182. So let's go 182 for TP2.
So how do I press
Or what you have and putting TP2 in place. So kindly clear this so we can put TP2.
Okay.
So click modify again.
On the same trade, yeah? And should I put in the stop loss as well?
Yes, please.
Okay.
What's your stop loss? 191 point what?
191.4832.
Okay.
And it's the last number is not imputed. I don't know if this is
It's
how it
okay,
works.
it's fine.
Okay. And this one is for, let's see if it says 189.1827. Okay. Yeah.
So now, can you see it can't modify, right? Why can't it modify? Can anybody tell me?
Because the entry price, because of the entry price, no more on the entry price again.
Exactly, right? Look at it. Now, our stop loss is 19483. Can you see that look at these two numbers moving? This number moving is turning red and blue. It's at 191.915. See, 912. So it's even like above what we're trying to put. So this stop loss and take profit will not work. So that trade idea has come and gone.
Okay, makes sense.
Yeah. So, and how do I know when not to take a particular trade idea because it has come and gone? How do I know when not to take it? So, for example, go to the entry points that Manara gave on the trade idea. So the entry was 191.1441. So go to your MetaTrader. 191.1441. Someone should type that on the chat. 191.1441. So go to your entry. So okay, here. Fine, amazing. Thank you, Paul. Thank you, Ore. So can we see that? So 1441 and 191.4 and 191.9, which is higher? Let's talk, guys. Let's comment on the chat. Which is higher, 191.14 or 191.90? Which is higher?
191.90.
Okay. Guys, let's communicate in the chat. What is higher, 191.90 or 191.40? The entry they gave us, 0.90. Amazing. Okay, so it just tells you that idea is not valid anymore because the entry point given already, market has left that place, people have made money from that. Like, it has passed the stop loss. So it's not advisable to, take that trade idea unless you get an instruction again to maybe take that idea again or something like that. So for you personally, you just leave it. It's like abort. You get? So, and why am I confident to abort and still feel okay? Because I know that more trade ideas will still come. So I don't feel pressured to take a particular trade when it has already gone, or it has gone. I don't feel pressure because I know that more trade ideas will be dropped. If you go to the WhatsApp signal group, you see that more ideas were more ideas were dropped. So basically, that helps you understand that, okay, even if this was gone, there are more. I'm going to look out for those ones and take those trade ideas, right? So that's how this works. And when you take a late trade idea, you just notice that it can't modify properly. I want you to have that understanding. So go back, right? So when you, for example, you had something like this, how do you maneuver it? You just leave the trade. Once it goes into profit, you manually close it. Now go back. So when it goes into profit, just click on it. I'm showing you how to close a trade now. So click on it. I've showed you how to modify and put your stop loss and take profit, and explain why the stop loss and take profits did not go, right? So, but if this trade idea was a recent idea, that's how you just copy and paste. You copy those parameters in, right? Now, when you want to close this trade idea, you just click on it. You see the close position, click on the close position, click on it. It will bring out something like this. It says close sell 0.1 at 1, and we lost that. We don't close trading loss. So go back. Once you see in profit, so Chisom, you have a trade running, right? So once it goes into profit, you can close it. Now let's try to take a pending order. So let's try to take another trade. Go to the EA trade ideas. The WhatsApp signal group, EA trade ideas. So go back out of this one. So scroll down. There's no BTC on your demo, so when you go live, you can trade BTC. We already know how to take trades like this, so go back. It's the same thing we did. I want to show you how to do something different. Now you know how to, when you come across trades like that, you know what to do.
But she can include BTC.
You said what? So
You
this is gold. I didn't get that, sorry.
Yeah, I mean, she can include BTC in her quotes.
And she has this on demo, it won't go.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's no BTC on demo.
All right.
So,
have you tried?
Yeah,
you want me to try it?
Yeah, let's try it, please.
You can try so everybody sees it and knows it. So you can try it.
So it's gonna be XAU USD.
No,
Yeah.
BTC is
Okay, BTC. Oh, okay. No, I don't think.
So, and how do I know? Like, because if you have mentees, you will know that want to trade crypto to practice. So go back though. Just erase that though. Erase the B2, but click on the search like you want to search. Now you see it has indices, metals, and forex. It doesn't have crypto. Now, assuming this was your live account, all of these tabs, you will see CFD, you will see crypto, you will still even see some other categories that it allows you to trade those things. That's because you're on a live account now, right? So it has more, will I say, it has more capacity for you to take some other, even you see some other pairs and all of those things that are not even forex pairs. Do you get? Maybe there are stocks, you understand, because it's your live account now. So that's on the demo. On the demo, you don't get access to crypto and stocks on the demo, but the copy and paste technique is the same. Once you can master that on forex, that same technique, you can take that copy and paste techniques to when you get a BTC idea, right? So the idea is to master how to copy and paste effectively. So even when you see a BTC idea, you know how to copy and paste it. So let's go take Greg. I think now everybody knows that there's no BTC. So let's go take another trade idea. Time has gone. I need to show you guys how to take something else. So let's go trade gold. Go. Chiso, move.
This?
Go to the idea.
Oh, okay.
Do you know the idea you want to take? So when you see an idea like picture, it says buy gold. Please type your question, please. So it says buy gold, right? Give an entry. So when you see an entry on a trade, it's only telling you the price zones we're looking out to buy from. Because you see an entry doesn't mean it's a pending order, it's a buy limit. No. If it's a buy limit, you will get you will see it clearly written, buy limit, sell limit. It will be boldly written on the idea. But here it just says buy gold. So when you get an idea like this, buy gold, entry 21.51, and all of these parameters that comes with the idea, right? It's instant execution. Anything that does not have sell limit, buy stop, anything that does not contain those words clearly written out, it is instant execution. And if you use an iPhone like me, you see it as market execution. So you just go and put your lot size and you buy immediately. So let's go and take this trade idea. We want to buy gold. Let's go. See, guys, mind you that people have made money from those ideas. I'm just showing us how to take trades like that when we see it, right? So those trade ideas have gone, people have made money from it, but the essence of me still taking it is to show us how the copy and paste works, so that from tomorrow, when we now come across trade ideas, like you can even now say, oh, I saw this on the Zoom call yesterday, let me do it. This is how they did it, this is how we did it then, right? So you come to your trade, you choose the pair, right? If you don't have it, you search on it, you click this plus sign to add it. So yeah, then you go back to your quotes, scroll down to check it out. You click on trade. Click on trade. So what did you do? Just click on trade.
On the gold versus USD?
Yeah, we've not taken the idea. One of the idea.
Okay, okay.
Can you move? We are trying to take the gold idea.
Oh, okay. This?
Yes. So XAU USD is gold.
Mm-hmm.
So stay with me. When you understand that, oh, like I said, when you want to take a trade idea, two things to first take note of: the pair. Two, what they're asking you to do. Are you buying or you're selling? Another thing is the entry point. So when you come here, like I highlighted, that trade has gone, but I want to show you how to take trades like that. So it's instant execution, like I said earlier. Once you change your lot size, so change your lot size to 0.05. So move. So hit the sell button twice, because you have to hit, as if you want 3 positions. So saying off quotes, hold on, sell again.
Once or twice?
Which is your choice. If you want to put TP2, you have to hit it twice. Keep saying off quotes. So hold on. Oh, market is closed. Shoot. Sorry, guys. So how do I know time? Then secondly, come to your quotes. Market is not closed. Come to your quotes. Is it moving? Is your quotes moving? Let me check mine.
No. Is it for the gold versus USD?
Mm-hmm.
No, it's stable.
Market is closed. If it's not closed, it's closing. So you have to move. You have to move like the speed of lightning.
Tap on XAU USD. Go to the chat. Could be it's not moving.
That's why I told her. That's why it's not placing. I know. I've even checked it on my live account, so it's not going to look like on my live. It's not moving too. It's just crypto pairs that are moving.
I just posted it on the chat. You can check the charts. The picture is on the charts.
This?
It's on the charts.
Okay, your question. What's on the chat?
I said I just posted it on the chat. They can check the chart. The picture is on the charts.
Okay. So we can't take that idea, but basically, if we're going to take the trade idea, you just need to hit the sell button, and that, like, we can't take that trade idea again. It's not moving. It's not.
Oh, why?
It's 9. Yeah, it's 9. It's 9, boys. I think it's 10.
Oh, it's 10 already.
It's 10 p.m.
10.
Nigerian. Yeah, Nigerian time bar.
Yeah.
From 12 a.m. actually, market is open because that's Tokyo and New York session. So it like closes for Tokyo and New York sessions opens and into 5 a.m. in the morning, where we have 5 6 a.m. Tokyo Sydney session opens into London session, and London session by 8 a.m. opens into New York session by 12 p.m. So it's different, 4 market session. So this session is closed, and that's why sometimes it's always important that we actually move and everybody is moving along with us without dragging us back. So these are some of the reasons. We have calls like this as well. So after clicking the buy twice, what do? You modify, like we have said earlier, like we did. So I'm just going to iterate on the trade that we took. So come to trade. Let's see the sell, right? So once you hit the sell button or the buy button, right, you can try it out tomorrow. You just modify, like you see, you did. You click on the trade. So click on the trade. You see the modify position. Click on modify, right? Click on modify. You put your stop loss and your take profit. Remember, guys, I highlighted why we couldn't put the stop loss and take profit here, right? This trade has gone, but tomorrow you're going to get fresh trade ideas. So you want to practice what you're seeing us do here tonight. So you see the trade idea, go and look for the pair. You choose it, change your stop loss, right? Change your lot size, sorry. Once you change that to 0.05, right, or 0.03, depending on whatever you want to use, you hit the sell or buy button. If you want to take it 2 times, hit the sell twice. If you want to take it 3 times, hit the sell 3 times. Then you modify on each position, right? And you put your stop loss and TP. Then you're good to go. So yeah, that's it. Then let me answer. I think we have a question. So that's just it. Once you modify, put your stop loss and TP, right? And then you click this modify that you're seeing here, and you're good to go. No, for a 3,000 account, your 1% is 0.30, not 0.03. Not 0.03. 0.03 is for a $100 account. That's 3% of a $100 account, right? So for a $3,000 account, your 1% is 0.30. 30, not 03. 30. That's 1% of 3,000, right? So in this case, I chose 0.05 is because I wanted to enter multiple positions. So I'm dividing my 30 by 5. So it allows me access to take multiple positions at once. That's me following my risk management, right, of 1% of my account, or 1 to 3% of my account per trade. So my 3% is 1 position. So that's why I'm starting with the smallest lot size that this equity can take, because it's a 3K account. So I don't have to start with 0.01. There is enough money. So I hope that works. We lost Audrey. You can see the recording, don't worry. So I'm just gonna stop the recording now.